Hello everyone. Today I want to showcase an experimental feature we're currently developing. This powerful new tool provides automatic classification of your measurements. I'll demonstrate how you can classify areas based on their visual appearance directly from the drawing. For instance, on this floor plan, you can see that different rooms and areas are highlighted with several distinct colors. To get started, I'll use our Auto Measure tool. First, it's essential to set the correct scale for the drawing. I'll apply the scale, and now I'll run the Rooms and Areas command. The AI immediately begins to process the drawing, and within seconds, it generates all the room measurements. Next, the system automatically begins to identify and label the spaces. I'll pause that process for now to demonstrate two methods for classifying these measurements. To make the new measurement overlay stand out more clearly, I'm going to adjust the drawing's visibility to increase the contrast. I'll do this by going into the settings, enabling night mode and black and white, and then reducing the opacity of the original drawing layer. All right, with the measurements generated, we can now classify them. The first method under Classify Measurements is by size. When I select this, the tool automatically groups and color codes the rooms based on their square footage. As you can see, it has created several distinct size-based groups. The second, more innovative method is classifying by appearance. This is where the feature really shines. You'll notice how the rooms were originally drawn with different fill colors. The by appearance function has intelligently detected these colors and automatically grouped the measurements to match. This allows you to instantly classify spaces based on the visual information already present in your plans. Thanks for watching.